Hi everyone, this is Geeta NG from Shri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn about this topic is principles set out in the business charter for sustainable production. The content we are going to discuss in this topic is introduction and the major principles of the business charter for sustainable production. Firstly, we are going to discuss the content is introduction. The introduction of this topic is the business charter for sustainable production. It some principles designed to guide a business towards more sustainable practices or sustainable production to the business charter. By considering all these principles, the companies that can reduce their environmental impact or they can promote the social responsibilities and contribute to a more sustainable future for all. The principles are first principles of this topic is resource efficiency. The meaning of resource efficiency is it's nothing but using the resources in a sustainable way to minimize the waste and maximize the value. In the resource efficiency is nothing but the using the resources in a useful way and we should minimize the waste and we should maximize the value. It includes reducing the use of raw materials, water, energy, and increasing the use of renewable resources and recycling. Then the important of the resource efficiency is resource efficiency helps to reduce the environmental impact and conserve the natural resources while it also improves the business efficiency and competitiveness. It can also lead to the most majorly it leads the cost savings and improve the product quality and it increases the customer satisfaction. These are the major importance of the resource efficiency. Then the second principle is circular economy. The meaning of circular economy is the definition of circular economy is it is an economic system. Its main goal or its main aim to eliminate the waste product and promoting the continual use of resources. The circular economy is nothing but it's an economic system. Its main aim to eliminate the waste and to promote the continuous use of the resources. It is also based on the principles of designing out waste and pollution, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating the natural systems. This is the circular economy. And the benefits of circular economy is reduction of the waste and the pollution, creation of a new business opportunities, and increasing the efficiency and the productivity and conservation of natural resources. This is about the principle to circular economy. The third principle is decarbonization. In the decarbonization, reducing the carbon footprint and benefits of the decarbonization. Mainly, the reducing the carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is nothing but the total amount of the greenhouse gas emissions caused by an individual or an organization or an a product. Decarbonization is a crucial step towards the achieving the sustainable production. It is one of the crucial steps towards achieving the sustainable production in the business charter. It majorly involves the reducing the greenhouse gas emissions and transitioning to cleaner energy sources. By doing this, business can mitigate the negative impacts of climate change and contribute to a healthier planet. This is the reducing of the carbon footprint and the decarbonization. The benefits of decarbonization are business that prioritize the decarbonization can benefit in a several ways. They can reduce their energy costs, majorly important the cost savings, cost effectiveness, and they can improve their reputation as environmentally responsible companies and attract the customers who value sustainability. Additionally, by reducing their carbon footprint, business can contribute to global efforts to change. These are the benefits of the decarbonization. The fourth principle is biodiversity. In the Business Charter for Sustainable Production recognizes the importance of the biodiversity and the aims to preserve and enhance it through a sustainable business practices. In and biodiversity, mainly the preservation and the enhancing the biodiversity is discussed. The preservation of the biodiversity is business can contribute to the preservation of biodiversity by reducing their impact on natural habitats and ecosystems and minimizing the pollution and waste and promoting the sustainable land use practices. These are the major aims to preserve the biodiversity, mainly to reduce their impact on natural habitats and ecosystems and minimize the pollution and waste and promoting the sustainable land use practices and enhancing biodiversity is nothing but to preserve the biodiversity. Business can also enhance it by supporting the restoration of degraded ecosystems and promoting the use of sustainable practices and investing in conservational efforts. Principle 5 is social inclusion. Social inclusion is nothing but it is the process of ensuring that all individuals and groups have equal access to resources. Equal access to resources, opportunities, and services in an society. This means promoting the diversity and equality and inclusion in the workplace and in the communities where the business operate. This is a social inclusion. Mainly the social inclusion, that all individuals and the groups they have a equal rights to resources, opportunities, and the services in a society, and they also promote the diversity, equality, and inclusion in the workplace or in the communities where the business can operate. How can business promote the social inclusion? It's nothing but business can promote the social inclusion by creating an inclusive workplace policies and the practices, supporting the diversity and inclusion initiatives, and also engaging with local communities to understand their needs and concerns. Mainly, the business can promote the social inclusion by creating the various inclusive workplaces, policies, practices, and the supporting to the inclusion in initiatives and the supporting diversity and engaging with the local communities to understand their needs and concerns. Additionally, by these, the business can also support the social inclusion to the responsible supply chain management by ensuring that their suppliers and partners also promote the diversity, equality, and inclusion in the operations. The sixth principle is transparency. Transparency and accountability and reporting and disclosure. In the transparency, business must be transparent about their operations and supply chains to build the trust with stakeholders and ensure the accountability for their impact on the environment and society. In this transparency and accountability, business must be transparent about their operations and the supply chains to build the trust with the stakeholders and ensure their accountability for their impact on the environment and social society. For this purpose, the business must be transparent about their operations. Reporting and disclosure. Business should disclose relevant information on their environmental, social, and governance performance, including the risk, opportunities, and impacts in a clear, concise, and standardized manner. The conclusion of this business charter for sustainable production of here we are discussing now the six principles of the business charter for sustainable productions that guide us the business towards more sustainable future by prioritizing the resources efficiency, by prioritizing like the principles we studied. First principle is the resource efficiency, circular economy, decarbonization, biodiversity, and human rights, social inclusion, and transparency. These all the companies can make a meaningful contributions to the environment and society. Thank you.